I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. If you are new here, I'm a mum of 3. I'm from England and I make family vlogs, cooking, reviews, childbirth, pregnancy, breastfeeding, homeschool, all different types of videos. So if you like those types of topics, then please click the subscribe button. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am doing like a organisation type video, how I'm preparing for it, and some items that I got from Poundland. The reason why I'm making this video is because of 3 lovely ladies that I love watching, and they're English as well. So first there's Emma Joe Goodness, and she does videos on like self-care and mindfulness, and she recently did a really good video on how she's doing short, medium and long-term goals. I'll leave her channel down below. And then Elizabeth Lucy, she has been doing some goal videos, and she's going to be doing a collaboration with Jay from My Type of Organised soon as well. And she has different books that she writes in for like food journaling, goals, all sorts of different types of things. So I'm going to leave her channel down below as well. And then Jay from My Type of Organised. So Jay, she does organising, cleaning hauls. She's recently gone plant-based, so she does cooking as well. But she's one of those people that she's just really inspirational, and she is just such a supportive, caring, loving person, and I'm so glad we've connected on here. She just, you know, like when you watch them kind of, what are they called, you know, like motivational type videos, and they say to like get a mentor or have someone who holds you accountable and who's been there and bought the t-shirt basically. Well, I feel that is Jay, and like on my to-do list every day I'll let her know what I'm going to do, and then she tells me if it's too much, or she asks how I'm getting on, and if I'm having a bad day, she just really cheers me up. And if I've done something really wonderful, she's just really encouraging and gives me loads of praise. She's just a really, really awesome person. And so yeah, so I thought I'm gonna take all of the tools that I've learned from the videos. I'm gonna leave everybody's links down below, like I said. I'm gonna take everything that I've learned, try to be organised for the first time. I'm very spontaneous, very laid back, very chilled out, but I've got goals, as you'll know in my 10-year, what is it called now? Or What a Decade tag, and also my vision board, which I'll leave down below. So if I want to hit them goals, I need to be organised. So I've got some things to try and do that. So firstly, I got this calendar. So everything is from the Pound shop, but here it's £1.20. I don't know why, so that'd probably be like $40 or something like that, $1.40. So I got this little cute fluffy calendar. So Jay's been telling me that she writes everything on a calendar and it helps her to be organised. And I think Elizabeth's got one as well. So I thought, right, I'll get this and then I can write everything down and be organised. And I got this white clean board. It's got like a black pen in it. And I thought that even though I've got this pad here to do this, I thought this would be good for the family. So if there's certain things that need to be done around the house, or chores, or we're going to go places or whatever, I can write this on for everybody, and Ryan can write on it as well. So again, that was $1.20. So here is my pad, to do things to do, and I like it because it says to do, and it has priorities, and it has, what does that say, goals on it, and it's got a checklist. And then at the back I have written loads of people, loads of channel names here that this is pretty much all of these people are who I'm subscribed to. I've wrote them all down, so I know most of the names anyway, but I just thought it'd be good that I can check and see if I have been up to date watching the videos, because I'm all about supporting other small YouTube channels. And then because I'm moving, I've got like a big checklist here saying what I need to do and breaking it down into manageable tasks. So and then I've got some short-term goals in here as well. and long-term ones. So I don't know, oh, here's my goals by December 2020. So I can always talk about that in another video if you want me to. So that's that book. Then this book here, Elizabeth was talking about writing every day about, do you know, like family, what she gets up to. And I thought, do you know what, what a really good idea. So again, this was only £1.20. And Elsina from But First Mum Life, she said to me about, because I'm so passionate about childbirth and obviously I'm doing the homeschooling, she said, what about maybe looking to write a book about it? And obviously I want to do a PhD and I want to write a book in the future, but I thought I could start documenting everything now, all the types of things we do with homeschool, and I might get another one of these to do with childbirth as well, and maybe write a book, an ebook or something like that. I don't know, but I thought I'd just document what we do on a daily basis, homeschool memories, how the kids are getting on, development, all that type of thing. So I'm going to use that book. And then this book here, I thought this could be really good for finances. So I'm going to go through all of my finances, all of my ins and outs, and I'm going to keep a tab, like put all the dates down of when payments come out. And also I've just started a little business as well, so I thought I could write things down in here as well. So, and what else have I got? Oh, I've got this which I'm going to share with the children, just to put some pens in. And I got, where's that? Oh yeah, and this is going to be on my other haul, what I'm doing after this. Just talking about some of the stuff that I've got for homeschool, but I'm going to use some of these for, I don't know, just, I saw on Project Mum's channel, Emily, sorry, she'd done a nice little design at the top of her page and everything, and I just thought, you know, it'd be nice to do some drawings as well. Just wait a minute, you can come in the next one. They're desperate to come in the video, but it's the homeschool video after I finish this one. This is for my one. No, not that video. They're saying to me, I'm going to be reading out like a report card kind of thing from when I was like 10 years old, and I want to see the reaction. So I'm going to do that in another video, and I'll link it down below another time. No, I'm not doing that one, guys. And then I got a nice little posh pen. Well, I think it's posh, but I don't know where I've put it. So I've got all these. Health goals and things like that, I haven't started on that yet, but that's something that I'd like to do. On Emma Joy Goodness channel, she says she's going to be starting to do some HIIT training, so she replied back to one of my messages before, and she was saying about like maybe she'll film it and then I can do it along with her and other mums can. So that's something that I'm definitely interested in. I'm also interested in getting to read some more books. So Elizabeth Lucy's going to be doing a live on the 31st of January where she's going to be looking at a book, really interesting book, and she's going to be reviewing it, and we can have like a bit of a chat about it. So yeah, I'm just really happy that the community on here, there's so many different women that you can learn from in so many different respects. So I'm just glad to get on this journey with this, and when I start my health journey and eating and things like that, I might start doing like a food journal like Elizabeth has done. It's never something that I've done before, but I've tried things out and then I get thrown off. So I'm hoping that if I write things down, it will make me more accountable. Yeah. So if you'd like me to make any more videos on this type of topic and let you know how I'm doing, then please let me know. But I'm a novice at this, but I'm just going to give it a go and see how I get on. So I thank you for watching, and if you're new here, like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked this content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Yay! Yay!